What should I buy? Should I buy Bitcoin or alts? Is it altcoin season or is it Bitcoin season? In this video, it's going to be a quick educational video on the altcoin season index. This is a indicator. This is something you should be familiar with, and you should definitely have this bookmarked in your internet browser. What I do is I create a little folder, and any kind of crypto tools, dexes, or anything that I want quick links to, I have them saved on my browser as bookmarks. So just Google altcoin season index. You'll find one over on blockchaincenter.net. Let's talk about it really, really quick. As you know, I do invest heavily in crypto. 3 years ago, basically everything I had went into crypto, done very well because of it. But the point is, sometimes it's nerve-wracking of what should I be buying? What should I be investing in? What season are we in? And I'm sure you're familiar. By the way, if you have any questions about this or anything else, we do make videos based upon requests. So just leave it in the comments. Ask your question. We'll most likely make a video specifically for you on this YouTube channel. But maybe you're looking to, reinvest some of your profits. We talk about yield on yield a lot from your yield farms, from your liquidity pools. And you're like, I want to buy something. What should I buy? This indicator, as you can see, I'll zoom out here, will indicate to you, are we in altcoin season? Meaning, is Bitcoin selling off and are those profits moving into altcoins? Or are we in Bitcoin season where altcoins are being sold off to buy Bitcoin? Now, this indicator works off a really, really simple rule. If 75% of the top 50 coins performed better than Bitcoin over the last season, which is a 90-day season, they call it, it's altcoin season as per in this indicator. Really, really simple. Excluded from the top 50 are stable coins like Tether DAI and assets-backed token like wrapped Bitcoin or staked ETH, Seedlink, etc. So if you have a look out here, you could see, okay, there's a bit of a pattern here. We've all seen that chart. Actually, I'll pull it up. There we go. We've all seen this. Fiat money moves into Bitcoin. Bitcoin moves up. Profits are taken. They move into large cap. Large caps move into mid caps. Mid caps move into low caps. Alt season. So now the question becomes, where are we? As per this indicator, as you can see, we're trending towards Bitcoin season. Bitcoin is performing very, very well. But is past performance, can this move any which way at any moment? Yes. But you can see the trend. That's all I'm getting at. So I personally, as we get more and more into Bitcoin season, I take profits from my Bitcoin and I position myself by buying alts. Now you might ask yourself the question, well, which alts should I buy? Well, it depends on your risk tolerance. The larger cap, and we can look back at this beautiful chart, that's very, very true. Large cap, mid cap, low cap. If you've got a smaller portfolio and you just want to earn as much as possible and you don't mind taking on the risk, you don't have to invest in the Maddox and the AVAX and the BNBs. You can go right to mid caps, low caps, position yourself so that as we start trading towards altcoin season, Bitcoin is selling off and moving into alts. You're sitting really pretty, and that's where you see the 5x, 10x, 20x. We've had some 50x picks in the past. Like, it's just ridiculous the amount of money that moves through crypto. But the point is, this is something that you should keep your eye on. Where are we? Especially if you're dollar cost averaging into assets. So I'm in a bunch of pools that pay me hundreds of dollars per day, and what do I want to do with those profits? For me right now, it's all right, looking at some alts. We've seen AI do some incredible things recently. There's always going to be some alts that pump and outperform Bitcoin in the short term, but overall, Bitcoin has been outperforming. And now, as people potentially, again, what we see here, we never know what the future is. But if these trends continue, we see people take some profits off Bitcoin and start moving in them to alts. Now, I personally don't take profit off Bitcoin and move it into alts. I dollar cost average into alts. Bitcoin is like my holy grail of my portfolio. But my yield farms that are earning me hundreds of dollars per day, I move them into alts. I start stacking my alts. And then when altcoin season takes off, I'm able to sell them off. Maybe I'll choose to buy Bitcoin and stack my Bitcoin. Maybe those will be profits and I'll pay for things in the real world, or maybe I'll just sit on stables on the side, lend them out like I'm doing now, and then redeploy as markets correct. Highly recommend spending some time going on the alt season index. Again, just Google it. You'll find it. Blockchaincenter.net has a great one embedded here, and get familiar with the tool. Really hoped that helped. Quick little educational piece, but I know y'all really enjoy education. If you have any other questions on anything else you'd like me to cover, do let me know. And with that said, I'll leave 4 videos on the 4 corners of your screen for more education. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to this channel, dive into the other content. We got almost 600 videos on this YouTube channel. And with that said, enjoy. Peace.